Mabuhay! Welcome to Bonjour Universe. This is your cozy corner of the internet where we explore everything under the sun. So, nung nakaraang lessons, pinag-usapan natin ang conjunctions. Ngayon, ano nga bang pagkakaiba ng car at parsike? Okay, so this both means because pero hindi sila pareho ng gamit sa pangungusap. So, first off, we have the parsike, because. So, ito yung reason or explanation. We used it in everyday speech to explain why something happens. So it directly answers why. Used when you are explaining something, you're answering a question. So ang structure niya is yung main clause mo plus yung conjunction na parsike plus yung reason. Okay? So ginagamit mo lang siya kapag sumasagot or nag-explain ng something. So for our sentence, je reste à la maison parce qu'il pleut. Je reste à la maison parce qu'il pleut. I am staying home because it's raining. Nasa bahay ako dahil umuulan. Elle pleure parce qu'elle est triste. She is crying because she is sad. Umiiyak siya dahil malungkot siya. So, ang pansike ay common in spoken French and in formal writing. So, lagi niyo siyang tatandaan. Pero, kapag car naman, ito yung because then, pero in a formal or in a logical explanation. Ginagamit natin siya sa formal writing, sa mga literature, structured arguments like essays, and it's more like saying for or since in English. So it introduces a justification rather than a direct reason. So, for example, je reste à la maison car il pleut. I'm staying home for it is raining. Nasa bahay ako sapagkat umuulan. So, dito, ginagamit siya sa written French. And kapag formal or use vous with your person. So, hindi mo siya masyadong kakilala or in a formal way, you're talking, use car. Il est heureux car il a réussi. He is happy because he succeeded. Masaya siya sapagkat nagtagumpay siya. So again, hindi ito ginagamit in a usual conversation, but in a written French. So, na-distinguish nyo ba ang pagkakaiba ng car at paske? So, if yes, share it to your friends na nag-aaral din ng French. And don't forget to take one bonjour at a time. Bye!